Welcome Memory Masters, ready to supercharge your memory and remember anything with these clever mnemonic devices? Unleash the memory wizard within you and discover the key memory tricks that will make your recall skills soar. Trick 1. Visualize it. Turn information into vivid mental images to make it stick in your memory. Trick 2. Acronym magic. Create memorable acronyms or acrostics to recall lists or sequences. Trick 3. Rhyme time. Turn information into catchy rhymes or songs to imprint it in your mind. Trick 4. Memory palace. Create a mental journey through familiar locations to store and retrieve information. Now you're ready to unlock your memory potential. Embrace these clever mnemonic devices and become a memory champion.